Namaste, my name is Miho Shinohara, and as I joined for this TTC training, online TTC training, before that I didn't know anything about the yoga. I was only using the yoga as maintain tools to maintain my body. I was doing a yoga on and off for about 20 years, and then this is my very first time to know what is the real yoga. Even that is online, teachers' knowledge and wisdom is really deep, and I really appreciated that I could touch for those knowledge and wisdoms. I finally could know those yoga training is lifetime work, and it has a possibility of change your life. And I believe my life is start changing already. To knowing the yoga is a benefit for our life. And even it is online, I could feel the strong connection with the classmate, and all teachers and classmates are so cheering each other and really helpful. This was my first time learn the yoga, philosophy, anatomy, meditations, yoga nidra, and kundalini, hatha. But everything is start piling up on my brains. And in those knowledge and wisdoms will give me a bright future. This is truly a life-changing experiences. I will recommend for everybody to take this course. Thank you very much. And I really appreciate for all the teachers and classmates. And I believe I could go to the Rishikesh someday. Namaste.